What's going on? What's going on? Your boy Luvrik O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur, and I'm back with another video in Motion 5. We've been doing a series on how to create a music visualizer in Motion 5, and now in video 6, I'm going to show you how to duplicate your lines. Let's get to it. All right, first step, what I want to do and what I forgot in the last video, before I duplicate my first replicator, I want to actually label it. I want to change the name of it. So I'm going to double click on replicator and I'm going to name this first one lower bass. All right, then I'm going to press Command D. All right, and that's going to make a copy of it. Now in the second one, I want to change that to mid bass. Then I'm gonna duplicate that one, Command D, and I'm gonna change this next one to upper bass. So now we have upper bass, mid bass, and lower bass. All right, what we wanna do is come over to our mid bass copy, but we do wanna refresh the random seed by clicking right here. All right, and we do want to change the frequency spectrum. So the lower end is set to respond from 20 to 40 hertz. So this one I'm going to do from 40 to 80. All right, and it's going to analyze that audio. All right, and now I want to do the same thing in my upper bass. So I want to come up to my upper bass and randomize. I want to refresh that one. And in audio, I want to do 80 to 160. Now the actual amounts that I'm picking, so all of that is still considered within the bass range. If you want more information, I will post a link to a chart that would actually show you what the different frequency ranges are. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to align everything. Peace.